Hi, this is Leah Minogue with Essential Pet Care, and today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about how you can use Young Living Lavender Essential Oil with your dogs. Lavender is often called the Swiss Army knife of essential oils because of its versatility, and there are just so many ways that you can use lavender, but today we're going to talk about specifically how you can use lavender with skin conditions and also with calming. So, you can use your lavender to provide relief for skin conditions of any kind on your dog, including things like hot spots, redness, irritation, cuts and scrapes, and also burns, frostbite, and fungal type infections. You can apply your lavender straight from the bottle, or you can dilute it with a carrier oil because it is very gentle. But one of the ways that I prefer to use lavender on my dogs is to make a spray, just because it's a lot easier to apply a spray, and it also spreads the oil out. So to make a skin spray, you're just going to take a 4-ounce glass bottle and you're going to put in 2 tablespoons of witch hazel, and then add about 20 drops of lavender to that, and fill the rest of the bottle with some distilled water. You're going to screw on the spray top, shake it real well, and then just spray on the affected areas. You can spray this on as many times a day as you'd like, just making sure that you shake the bottle each time before you use it. As I mentioned, lavender also can be used for calming overactive or stressed out dogs. Just like lavender makes us feel more relaxed and at ease, it has the same impact on our pets. So if you have a time when your dog always feels stressed out, maybe going for walks, or when you have people coming over, or when you're going to take a car trip, that would be a good time to use lavender. There are a couple different ways you can use lavender to help with stress. One is just to put a drop or 2 on their collar, and then of course they're going to be breathing it in. Another way that works is to use the same lavender spray that I just spoke about for skin conditions, and you can just apply it all over their body, or even to their bedding or their crate, or something like that, if it's going to be for travel, for instance. As with any essential oils, you're going to want to let your dog smell and approach the oil on their own the first time you use them. Start small and work your way up, and I'm sure you'll have a great experience using lavender with your dog, just like I have with my dogs. One last note is that I am talking about Young Living Lavender Essential Oil. I do not recommend any over-the-counter or store-bought essential oils in this type of method, because you just can't be assured of the quality and the purity, which is just so important, especially when you're applying oils directly to the skin or breathing them in. I hope this information has been helpful and that you have a great day. Thank you.